guys, today we are going to look at some groups of objects and we are going to figure out what one more is. Okay, so we're going to count this group. 1, 2, 3, and one more makes 4. I know that one more than 3 is 4. Look at this group. Now look at this. This group has a greater number of objects than this does. This is 3. This is 4. 4 is greater than 3, or 4 is bigger than 3. Okay? All right, take a look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I add in one more. One more than 5 is 6. Very good. If I have 5 and I add in one more, that's 6. This group is bigger than this group. Okay? 6 is greater than 5. All right, let's take another look. All right, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. Very good. And one more is 11. Good. This group of 11 is bigger than this group of 10. Okay. We know that when we add one more to 10, that makes 11.